Using BMO loans is a straightforward process that can help you achieve your financial goals. To get started, you need to determine which type of loan is right for you, such as a personal loan, mortgage, or line of credit. BMO offers a variety of loan options, each with its own set of benefits and interest rates. First, visit the BMO website or visit a local branch to learn more about the different loan options available. You can also use the online loan calculator to determine how much you can borrow and what your monthly payments will be. This will give you a better understanding of the loan terms and help you make an informed decision. Once you have chosen a loan, you will need to apply for it. This can be done online, by phone, or in person at a BMO branch. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your income, credit score, and employment history. This information will be used to determine your eligibility for the loan and the interest rate you will be offered. After you have applied for the loan, BMO will review your application and make a decision. If you are approved, you will receive the loan amount and will be required to make regular payments, usually on a monthly basis. It is essential to make these payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. To make the most of your BMO loan, it is crucial to create a budget and stick to it. This will help you manage your payments and ensure that you are using the loan for its intended purpose. You should also consider setting up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. Additionally, it is essential to understand the terms and conditions of your loan, including the interest rate, repayment term, and any fees associated with the loan. This will help you avoid any surprises and make informed decisions about your loan. In conclusion, using BMO loans can be a great way to achieve your financial goals. Whether you are looking to purchase a home, consolidate debt, or finance a large purchase, by understanding the different loan options available, applying for the right loan, and managing your payments effectively, you can make the most of your BMO loan and achieve financial success.